to screw the back side, so just remove. Okay, move like in this position and open from this hole like this. One more on this side. Just gonna open this and disconnected here. And this one, and one more here. Okay, just put on the side. Okay, so now this is the heater tank. So okay, and one more is here. Like it's over there. Okay, and we have to remove the hose from here. Okay, so little tie. Okay, you have to remove like this, and this side too. And one more screw here. Okay. You need to remove here and disconnect. Just be careful. So this one and this one. Okay. Now just pull up and remove this part from here and connection. This one right here. Okay.